Hi, hello, namaste, adab. So myself CMA Banu, I'm accounting faculty in Shikharatutorials. Today in this video, I would like to give full detailed information regarding to the CMA Inter regular batch for December 2026 examinations. So the batch is going to commence from 16th February 2026. So please remember the date 16th February 2026. So first, we would like to start with the group 1 classes will be completed by 15th May 2026. That means March, April and May 15 as well as 15 days of February. So complete 3 months coaching we are going to give for the with respect of group 1 classes. So next then after from 16th May to June 9th, we are going to provide you the study hours plus revision exams with respect of group 1. That means if you are interested to write the group 1 examinations in the June 2026 means it is possible. Next then after giving holidays, again we are starting group 2 classes from 20th June. It will be completed by 31st August. That means here complete 2.5 months coaching we are going to provide you for group 2 classes. So next then after September, October and November, complete 3 months study hours plus revision exams will be help you to clear the both the groups in December 2026 examinations with the flying colors. So next, what are the special features are? So every Sunday we are going to conduct one examination, and next coming to the classes timings 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Study hours 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. The study hours are mandatory ma. So here if you are getting any doubts means the faculty will be available with you. Next coming to the faculty point of view, they are experienced and expertise. When coming to the materials ma, they are simplified and exclusively for the CMA. So next coming to the classes, mode of classes. So face to face, live at home and recorded and recorded. When coming to the face-to-face classes, will be scheduled in SR Nagar, Hyderabad. Live at home and recorded means, so the classes which are conducting in a face-to-face, you can listen the classes by way of sitting at home itself. If you are missing the live classes means the recorded also available, so don't worry. So here one view for the live class and additional 1 point view for the recorded. So you can utilize completely this kind of mode of classes also. Next, there is only mode recorded, means you are going to get only the recorded classes 1.5 views. Next, coming to the 100%, the classes are going to be discussed in 100% English mode. You can completely utilize all over India of students can be purchased these classes. And next, coming to the faculty details. Paper number 5, Law and Ethics, will be discussed by CA Mithun Reddy sir, having 10 plus years of experience. Paper number 6, Financial Accounting, will be discussed by myself, having a 5 plus years of experience. 7A, Direct Taxes, will be dealt by CA Bhaskarmagham sir, having 8 plus years of experience. 7B, Indirect Taxes, CA Mithun Reddy sir, having a 10 plus years of experience. Paper number 8, Cost Accounting, will be discussed by CMA DQ Navin sir, having 10 plus years of experience. When coming to the OM and SM, will be discussed by CA Manindra Singh sir, having 10 plus years of experience. 10A, Corporate Accounting, will be discussed by myself. And next coming to the 10B, Auditing, by CA CMA Rohit Grover sir, having a 15 plus years of experience. So next, 11A, FM, CMA DQ Navin sir. 11B, BDA, once again by CA Manindra Singh sir. 12, Management Accounting, will be discussed by CMA DQ Navin sir. So if you want the demo classes for the respective subjects, you can watch Shikharatutorials YouTube channel. The demo classes are available. So next one, when coming to the fee details, both the groups, if you want to join both the groups of group 1 and group 2, 80,000 rupees. And if you want to join the single group, either 1 or 2, 45,000 rupees. This fee including the books, revision exam plus study hours. So there is a special if you want to purchase the single subject, yes, you can purchase at a rate of 9,000 rupees, but only books are going to provide you. If you want to get the revision exams and study hours means you have to pay separate fee for that one. So next, there is a discount. So on or before, if you're joining February 16th means you are going to get a discount ma. For the both the groups, we are collecting only 70,000 rupees. For the single group, we are collecting only 40,000. That means if you purchase the both the groups, you are going to get 10,000 rupees of discount. If you purchase the single group, you are going to get 5,000 rupees of discount. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. The last day of the discount is February 16th. That means before commencement of this batch. So at last 16 February 2026 is the batch commencement date. So don't miss. So for the admission, you can contact to this number 63099901213. And next, if you want to purchase our online classes, you have to visit www.shikharatutorials.in. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. So we can visit in the classes. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. God bless you.